Hi guys, good evening everyone. Raju here. Hi everyone. Am I audible to you? Hi everyone. Please ping in the chat box. Hi guys, how are you everyone? How the things are going on? Nice. I'm doing great guys. Thank you. My voice is low. I think that is your side problem. Please can you check that? My eyesight, audio, video, everything is more and more perfect. Right. Thank you. Very good evening, everyone. Today is the last demo. Today is the third demo we are entering into. Soon we are going to change the link. Please complete formalities as early as possible. My administrative manager number already provided. On the screen, all the details available completely. So my administrative manager will provide all the details to you. Yes, guys. You required any new information more than that, and we are going to share with you that. So what I'm going to discuss in this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript batch by me, and a lot of things. Okay, 3 demos only. So almost we completed 2 demos up to in the last session, and now I'm entering into third demo. Yes. So what component so far I discussed with you, and what kind of resources I'm going to share with you in the name of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all the contents I'm going to provide you. Google Classroom already we created. We are going to share with you once link is changed, and we are going to share the resources with you guys. Exclusively for new members who entered a new session. In today only first session for those people. I'm showing first 5 minutes, the formalities means non-technical information for you. Hope you guys are observing. The batch started 4th July. I'm going to cover in-depth HTML, CSS, and JavaScript bootstrap. After that, we are entering into interview questions, reviews, assignments, not only training, we are providing placement assistance. Resume preparation for freshers, experienced and working professionals. Total duration of the course, 40 to 50 hours. Maybe more than 50 hours, sometimes 50 hours not enough. Course timing 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So after demo sessions, we'll increase the timings. Don't worry about the timings. Weekly 5 days, Monday to Friday. Course fee with videos, without videos, very clearly we mentioned here, including GST. So mailing address, online training @nareshit.com. So online technical team WhatsApp number available here. Yes, Mr. Surendra, and you can try to contact him through WhatsApp 799-799-7906. For new batches information, I'm providing this course schedule. Telegram link I provided here. All resources you are getting through Google Classroom, I'm going to provide. You have any technical doubts, and I provided ksrazupu@gmail.com. So these are completely non-technical information for you before we are entering into regular sessions. And note the details. Don't ask me again and again about these details only. Once you are getting all these details and you're getting complete information regarding course, and you will be there is no chance to confuse. Okay, thank you for listening me carefully. You can try to understand already. Who are coming last 2 days onwards, we don't have any problem. Mainly for new members, I'm providing some information here. Right, in the demo 1, 4th July. So what I discussed with you. So what are the terminologies I shared with you? So let me talk about overview of demo 1, overview of demo 2, and then I'll enter into demo 3. Today we are providing these video sessions also to you. Whatever demo 1, demo 2 videos existed, I'm going to provide you, because some of you guys are, maybe very few members today is new, because remaining almost attended people only. Right. What are the web terminologies? What are the web terminologies? In the real-time software industry, mainly in the web technologies, there are some real-time terminologies existed. What are that? Web. Collection of electronic resources is called web. Father of web is Tim Berners-Lee, who is popularly known as even father of HTML. And first time he created this web environment. Because of that web, today we are enjoying virtually uh, everything. Everything we are enjoying virtually. So W3C or w3.org. If you are going to that URL, you are getting lots of resources related to web standards, how to become a member in the W3C. Who is W3C? World Wide Web Consortium. It is an organization to maintain web standards. The founder of W3C is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Please understand the wording. W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. It is an organization to maintain web standards. Who actually developed this and who is the founder means Sir Tim Berners-Lee is the founder. After that, I discuss about network. What is a network? Collection of computers interlinked together to exchange resources each other. First network name is called ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. This network developed between two computers. This network first used protocol is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol. Later it is renamed as File Transfer Program. Initially program, later renamed as protocol. So what is the meaning of network? Collection of computers. There are the various definitions existed. If you are going to different books, different definitions available, no doubt. But the straightforward answer is here. What is the meaning of that? Collection of computers interlinked together. What is the meaning of protocol here? Collection of rules between sender and receiver. You want to receive some information, you want to send some information, compulsory you need to follow network rules. If you are unable to follow network rules, you never deliver or you never receive the resources. Next one, define internet, international network. Father of internet is Dr. Vince Cerf. We are calling interconnected network also we are calling, and collection of TCP by IP communications protocols. These are very important points. So finally you people need to understand what is internet. International network. Father of internet is Dr. Vince Cerf. But interconnected network. So collection of TCP by IP communications protocols. So these are the words, very powerful. You need to understand that. After that, when people are calling collection of TCP, what is TCP? Okay, full form everybody knows, but TCP means connectivity between computers in a network. Collection of connectivity between networks we are calling as WAN, that is called IP, Internet Protocol. So there is a friend, there is a network available, one computer connected with another computer, there is a meaning. One network connected with another network, there is a meaning. So meaning you people need to understand full forms, okay. Generally, we are concentrating on the full forms. In the full forms, nothing available. You need to come to reality of that. Next one, email or webmail. Generally, mail is classified into the following two types: online mail communications, offline mail communications. Online mail communications, all web mails are online. What is the meaning of email? A mail between electronic devices. First webmail concept developed by Sabir Bhatia, an Indian, with an American Jack Smith. These people together, they developed a new principle is called proxy-based mail services. This is really rocking Hotmail in the early days. So later Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, American Online, there are many came. After that, when offline communications, these are popularly known as post office protocol services. What exactly that? So in the real-time industry, we people are in the companies when we are going to work internal communications purpose, we are using Microsoft Outlook Express, Mozilla Thunderbird, GNU mail system. Like this, a lot of examples, a lot of resources existed, to be frank, I can say that, okay. So offline mail communications, these are popularly known as post office protocols. So hope you guys understood what is Microsoft Outlook Express and Mozilla Thunderbird, GNU mail system in upcoming days. Definitely, practically, I'll try to show you the things in a better way. Next one, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Because of SMTP, any mail domain communicating with any other mail domain. SMTP is one of the best cross-mail domain communications. Okay, next one is MIME. Multi-purpose internet mail extensions. Means over electronic mail, we are sending any kind of attachments. There are the different kinds of attachments we are sending: text files, documents, Excel sheets, images, audio files, video files, like the graphics, the different kinds of formats that we can send because of only MIME. That is demo 1 overview. After that one, demo 2, that is yesterday's 5th July. What I discussed, Telnet, telecommunications network. So telephone network, in the early days, we are using this network through government services like BSNL. So they are only providing to you, if you need internet connectivity, telephone is compulsory. The proxy based communications we are doing in the early days. Now HTTP or HTTPS. What is HTTP? A common language between client and server. What client speaks, server can understand. What server speaks, client can understand. So this is HTTP. Hypertext transfer protocol we are calling, but common language between client and server. What is S meaning? Generally, we are calling SSL, secure sockets layer. In the reality level, SSL, data encryption purpose we are using. And next one, URL, URI, URN, uniform resource locator, uniform resource identifier, uniform resource name. It is a unique address to identify a person or an organization in the world, but definitely URL means something different. So please, everybody, try to understand what exactly that. It is a unique address to identify a person. So what is the best example for this? And I'm giving to you here, www.nareshit.com. It is a, I said already, HTTP is what? Common language. S is SSL, colon, double forward slash is a delimiters or special characters. I said in the last session very clearly, you know already web basics, or you don't know. I don't know that. But this much clearly you are having idea or not, you can check it, whatever the words I'm delivering. Okay. So SSL. and delimiters are special characters. www, default domain or subdomain. Dot is nothing but period or wildcard character. Naresh IT is nothing but primary level domain. Okay, .com is nothing but top level domain, commercial purpose we are using, but nowadays AI is more demand in the market. Okay, next one, web browser. Web browser. It is a client-side lightweight software. It takes HTTP request from client to server. It renders HTTP response from server to client. Most important point you guys need to understand. Browser always, where browser available, that is client, my dear. Special explanation not required. What is client, what is server, doesn't no need to confuse also you people. Browser installed, that is client. Browser sending request means that is server. Where request is going, that is a server. Where response you're getting means response you're getting from server to client. Request from client to server. These 2 points you need to remember that. So it is a client side lightweight software. It takes HTTP request from client to server. It renders HTTP response from server to client. So there are many browsers available like Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Torch, Brave, Edge, Apple Safari. There are many browsers available. Next one, what is a web page? Electronic page based on the HTML. Without, see, there is a number of technologies are there right now in the market. Number of technologies. So one technology for C not available, C++ not available, Java not available, Python. So there is not available some Ruby. So not available some Julia. So every technology, there is an alternate. Every technology, there is a substitution. Did you question this one? If HTML is not there, what is a substitute for that? Take your own time, think and tell me tomorrow. HTML is not there. What is a substitution for that? There is no chance here. 100% web mother language is HTML only. Please try to capture these definitions properly. 100%. So these are the words you people need to. Next one, website. Collection of web pages is called a website. Collection of web pages is called a website. Understand the words more powerful manner. So now I'm entering into demo 3. That is 6th July. Today is we are entering into demo 3. So overview of demo 1, demo 2 provided. I'm providing today these demo session links also. Don't worry about the backup sessions. Let me enter into demo 3. What is today? Introduction to HTML. What is HTML and features of HTML, limitations of HTML. There are many points I'm going to share with you, right? And I'll try to discuss one by one all these things. So hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. So what that one? It is specially designed text for it is specially designed to create web pages. That's it. It's very powerful. So definitely, and who created this? Father of HTML is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Is a father of HTML. He only created first web page. I'll show you history and everything. I'll show you HTML. What is HTML speciality? If you ask me directly on my face question, doesn't require any technical knowledge. Even if you are related to school student, you can easily create web pages. Don't think to learn HTML, PhD required from university. In the early stage, also you people can do that. In the early stage, you people need to recognize all these simple points. You people need to recognize all these simple points. So for HTML, no programming knowledge background, no big education, try to understand, no big education background, no special softwares required, no special IDEs required. Only requirement, your interest. First requirement is your interest. So you have interest, you can do marvelous things. Number of small kids in the school level, only people are creating wonderful websites and they're becoming outstanding manner in the industry. You people knows already that. So understand, guys, all these small points. So hypertext markup language, it is specially designed text to create static web pages, generally we are calling, okay, whatever it is, to create web pages. Father of HTML is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, excellent. So that is what exactly introduction to hypertext markup language. Then I'm entering into features of HTML. So there are many features available. And first feature I'm giving, it is simple and easy to learn. It is simple and easy to learn. It is highly flexible. It is highly flexible, no doubt in that one. And I can say it is static markup. It is static markup language. It is open source. What should I say? Many points you can. Yeah, it is consistent. It is consistent and efficient and high performance. High performance, we can say. Performance with HTML web pages, very powerful. It takes less time to create web pages. And what more available? My experience I'm giving, okay? Every web browser supports. Every web browser supports. Every web browser supports. It is web web environment. It is web-based language. There are many points. Without HTML, nothing, I can say indirectly. No HTML, no web. No web, there is no meaning of internet. Once again, the features of HTML, try to recall. If you are a fresher, if you are already studying your BTech or MTech or intermediate or school, whatever it is, easily you people can able to understand every resource. And whatever demo 1, demo 2 videos you required, people, already those videos means those links already we provided here. Please try to check it by Mr. Surendra provided here. Please, you can check it, and all the details available in the chat box. All the details existed in the chat box. Regarding, some of you guys are asking me that when for full stack batches it is free, or for Java batches it is free, or for .NET batches it is free, or for Django batches it is free. See, regarding this kind of questions available non-technical level, please try to WhatsApp to administrative manager. He'll resolve all your questions. But soon the link is going to be changed. Be alert. Touch with administrative manager, and you can try to get the new link, and we are going to change the old link, because already we are entered today 3rd session. means third demo. So tomorrow I'm taking first session. That means soon we are going to take the things here. So you people need to understand words very clearly. Thank you for listening me carefully all the words and features of HTML. Simple, highly flexible, static, open source, consistent, high performance, less time, and every web browser support. It is a base language for the web environment. Nice, all the words perfectly. So now, what are the limitations of HTML? Okay, features, okay. You are having a lot of features are there, okay, perfectly okay. But what about the things here? What are the limitations? Is limitations are not there in HTML? Definitely limitations are there, no doubt. Without advantage, there is no meaning of disadvantage. Without a disadvantage, there is no meaning of advantage. Every area plus, minus, common things. In HTML, can you say what are the limitations available? Definitely. Definitely open, I'll discuss with you because here there are different things available. Limitations of HTML. First limitation I'm giving. What that one? The first limitation is we can create only static web pages. Static web pages. We can create only static web pages. Need to write more lines of code. That is only markup. More lines unnecessarily. You need to open doc type, HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close, title open, title close, body open, body close. Everything you need to make it a lot of meshier. There is a reason need to write more lines of code. This is a point we can say that one. And less no security, no security features in HTML. This actually security features doesn't require here. To be frank, security features is not the matter, but even though, okay, that is also accountable. So people try to understand limitations of HTML. So features I made, introductory part, what is HTML I made. Hope you guys are getting the points very clearly. Okay, so overview of demo 1 and 2. What is that one? What is HTML? Hypertext markup language. Specially designed text to create web pages. Father of HTML is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Features of HTML, lot of features available: simple, easy, flexible, static, open source, consistent, efficient, highly performance, less time to create, and every web browser supports, and it is a base language. Limitations: we can create only static web pages. Need to write more lines of code. No security features in HTML. So these are the points you people need to understand. Right after that, I'm entering into history of HTML. What is history of HTML? How powerfully we can say this history? A lot of, I need to discuss right from 1989 onwards. I need to discuss. Okay, as per W3C standard, 1989, Sir Tim Berners-Lee, with the name of GML, generalized markup language. Generalized markup language. And 1989 level. So 1989 level GML, generalized markup language. 1991 SGML. SGML, standard generalized markup language. And we are providing 1994 and HTML. What is the HTML here? Hypertext markup. See how the language's name changed. Hypertext markup language. Because whatever the drawbacks in 1989 GML existed, those drawbacks recovered in SGML. In SGML level, whatever the drawbacks available, 1994 HTML entered hypertext markup language, those drawbacks recovered. After that, 1998 is very powerful. And what written? HTML. And here, XML. Together, there is mixing entered. Extended hypertext markup language. Listen carefully. Extended hypertext markup language. Extended hypertext markup language. So by that means I can say with the help of this XHTML, there are many changes, many new features. First time, SMS feature. I don't know how many people remember MMS feature and web services related things and email communications. Lots of things are newly entered. Guys, no time wasting in the name of demo. Every second you guys are enjoying completely technical subject. Okay, so 1998 level. What is SMS? Short messaging services. What is media messaging services? What is web services? Communication between web applications. Nowadays we are using JSON, JavaScript object notation. Email, mail communication between electronic devices, popularly known as web mail. Like this, a number of resources entered here. And XML is very powerful here. So you guys need to understand. Some of you guys are asking me that one difference between XML and HTML. People are asking very commonly. People are asking, what is that? HTML level, XML level. Some points we can try to see. What is the difference between HTML and XML? Because our course is HTML. Okay. I can say here HTML level, create static web pages. To create static web pages. XML, what purpose we are using? Communications between web apps. No case sensitive. Case sensitive. No case sensitive, anything supports. Okay. All are predefined tags. Here, user defined tags. All are predefined tags. They are completely user defined tags. Okay, so you people need to observe main points I provided. There are the number of points available here, but these are the major points to understand the difference between HTML and XML. So to be frank, how you are going to say HTML? Yes, I said already here very clear static web pages. And how can you say XML communications? How you can say that when one website is talking to another website? You know this truth many people don't know. In web environment level, every web application interacting with another web application in which language? XML language. XML nowadays replaced with JSON. Every human being or every animal interacting with other animal. So try to understand, without interaction, there is no living thing existed in the on the earth. You can try to. Everything interaction compulsory. So while you are interacting with other, definitely you are following some kind of language and language rules. Same like that XML is a media between applications. It is making better communications in the web environment. Web services means it is a kind, see, web service, try to understand. So in the web applications level, services it is providing in the name of XML. I need to discuss with you a lot of realities here. Nowadays, API is available. application programming interfaces. Those APIs like Web API, REST API, RESTful services, maybe lots of words available. I don't know how many you guys heard about that one. So these words in Python programming, whenever I'm going to, I can say that Django REST framework available nowadays, hot cake in the market. I'm discussing that time how one Java technology communicating with one Python technology, how one Python technology communicating with one .NET technology, how one .NET technology interacting with one PHP technology. So like this cross boundaries, I'm discussing very clearly. So these words you people need to understand first, initially first HTML and XML differences level you need to. So, right, exactly after 10 years, 2008, I can say Web 2.0, there is a Web 1.0, HTML5 entered. This is advanced, advanced hypertext markup language. Advanced hypertext markup for better web applications. This is very powerful. Very powerful HTML5 related things. We'll see that time. I'll discuss with you why they created and what kind of features existed HTML5 level. My videos already existed. You can try to watch. Generally, HTML and HTML5 importance is very high in the market. I said already, there is no C, there is C++, there is Java, there is Python. See, every technology there is a substitution existed, means the other technology existed, but once HTML is not there, there is no substitution for that. Please recognize this word, everybody. I'm repeating always. You can think also, if already you are working in the industry, you can think. You are not working in the industry, please, you can try to explore what Raju sir is saying. Okay, without HTML, there is nothing. Yes, correct. There is no other substitution. That is Sir Tim Berners-Lee speciality. Try it. Without HTML, you can try to create a web page and show me. We'll publish in the international guides. You will become a master and father also. So for every area, HTML is unique because it is unique. Okay, right. Unique features. So Web 2.0 level exactly entered here. HTML5, advanced hypertext markup language for better web applications. After that, when the 2016 around like that, there is something happened. And that is HTML 5.1 entered. This is more powerful. Advanced hypertext markup language, I can say, for all gadgets and widgets, much powerful for all gadgets. I don't know how many people heard about gadgets and widgets. What is the meaning of gadgets and widgets? Small electronic devices. All gadgets. Nowadays, people are using this one, smart devices. How much popular, my dears. In our class, almost 50% people are listening my session through smartphones. Remaining 50% people only, they are maybe desktop, maybe they are using lappy, maybe they are using some tab, but remaining 50% tab and smartphone only. Okay, that is even you can practice directly in Android also. HTML especially doesn't require a particular platform only. So this is also many people don't know. Sometimes some people are questioning me that, sir, how we are going to practice if it is in Android, how we are practicing if it is in iOS, how we are going to practice in Debian or in CentOS or in Ubuntu or in Linux or Red Hat or Mac. So every area you can practice, my dears. It's not the matter. There is no preconditions here. There is no boundaries. So there is no restrictions also. You can practice everywhere. You can practice everywhere. So points you need to understand very clearly. So HTML5, HTML 5.1 for all gadgets and widgets. Nowadays, do you know what web is there right now in the industry? Web 3.0. Web 1.0 over. Web 2.0 also completed. Web 3.0. Maybe soon Web 4.0 also will come, metaverse. Maybe you people heard already that one. Soon virtual environment is coming. People are purchasing virtual lands. So you guys need to understand all these words. Cloud related shopping. You people no need to come to physically to do shop. So virtually we can do. So virtually everything is possible. This is only metaverse. Nowadays, even Facebook also entered into metaverse. I don't know how many you people having like this technologies idea. There is a great terminology is there right now in the market, blockchain. Blockchain is much powerful environment to get uh, without currency, and we can do everything digitalized. So I'm not talking about the market growing, market falling, market up and this is common everything in our human being life, how up and downs existed. This common, my dears. I'm not talking about the market. I'm talking about the future completely crypto level. So that is the reason Web 4.0 level already bot centered. Nowadays, every area we are using bots, automation programming, chat bots available, customer care bots available, web bots existed. I don't know how many people you heard all these words, whichever I'm speaking. Maybe for some people, maybe my words are very new for you. Okay, this is really Web 2.0 level. All these words I can speak here. So once if you are entering, for example, can you answer means Web 3.0, you can say means, yeah, I can say Web 3.0 here. What available here? Web 3.0 completely web bots. I don't know how many people heard about that one. Fully, we can say bot is nothing but one kind of automation. So if you want, I'll create and I'll show you these kind of automations in, I'm creating generally Python and NLP using machine learning and deep learning, and we are giving artificial intelligence level. We can do that. Okay. So this is not your area, but I can explain to you. Web bots. So bot is nothing but one kind of automation programs, chat bots, or we can say web bots, internet bots, customer care bots, help bots. So there are a lot of bots are there. Web 3.0 level also, there are many things available. Okay. Right, many words I discussed with you. Now I'm coming to introduction to tags. So what are the tags available in HTML? These tags are classified into how many types? So how these tags are working out, we'll try to observe one by one all these words. Okay, so tags are basically classified into two different words, how these tags are functioning. Okay, all these words very important for you guys. This is very important word, and you people need to understand also very clearly. And words also you need to get it, every word. Okay, so what is the meaning of introduction to tags? What, first of all, what is the meaning of tag? Why tag? Without tag, can't we write a hypertext markup language? Is it possible? No, never possible that. How can you say without HTML what we are going to write here? So how the things are possible? So let me allow. So, and I'm going to give you all these things. What about the introduction to tags? Come on, observe. Slowly I'm going to entering into practical environment area. Okay, so introduction to tags. I'm giving here define tag or element. Some people calling like that also, no? A text which is placed between left angular bracket. See how I'm speaking. Left angular bracket, comma, between right angular bracket. Right angular bracket is called a tag or element. A text which is placed between left angular bracket or right angular bracket is called a tag or an element. Oh, super. So very simple, and I'm providing an element, right? So now there are different types of tags available here generally. So syntax I'll provide you here. First syntax I'll provide. What is the syntax? Open this one and you can provide an example also you can provide here, and I'm giving HTML. So like this, introduction to tags. So tag open and tag. Now types of tags as per W3C standard. This is very important, W3C standard. As per W3 standard in HTML, tags are classified into the following two types. First one is paid tax. Second one is non-paid tax. Right. What is paid? What is non-paid? So paid means something opening available, closing available. Non-paid means only opening, there is no closing. So we'll try to observe what is paid and what is non-paid. One by one, we can try to see very closely all these resources, and paid tax level information we can try to observe. Okay. A tag which is having opening tag and closing tag is called, a tag which is having opening tag and closing tag is called paid tag. Paid tag. So what exactly examples only directly we can see. Syntax specially doesn't require. HTML opened and we need to close that HTML. See, understand the words and how we are opening, how we are going to close the things also, you need to understand that. And body opened, body we need to close. And we are going to be head opened, body. Okay. Head opened, head we need to close. So now like this existed number of tags available. After that one, what are the non-paid tags available? So a tag which is having only opening tag, uh, no closing tag. So now example you can say, and there is a break tag available, there image tag available, there horizontal rule, many are there. There are many existed like that. So understand these tags very closely, very closely. So their tags are classified into just two types. By using these two types of tags, we can create a marvelous web pages, my dears. Outstanding manner we can try to understand. Okay, means the web pages. So now all these things we are entering into slowly in the session 1. So session 1 we are entering into 07/07/22. Tomorrow onwards we are starting first session. Tomorrow we are entering into practical sessions. Please contact my administrative manager through WhatsApp, and you must available, you can check it. So overview of demos. Then we are entering into structure of HTML, and I'm creating first web page. Then I'm giving real-time web environment. I said already in the name of demos, I don't want waste valuable time. Real-time web environment and standards of W3C. Slowly we are entering into the things here. So in the next session onwards, we are entering into more practical environment. So whatever the resources already shown to you, please, you can try to check it. Every point I typed very clearly. Every information in front of you existed. I hope all points pretty clear for you. Even in today's session, demo session links already we provided in the chat box. Please take that one. Try to listen carefully demo session so that you people are understanding whatever you required. Okay. So thank you for attending another great demo session. Tomorrow we are entering into first session. Thank you each and everyone. Like you everybody. Bye-bye. Good night. Tomorrow onwards time will be increased to slowly 10 minutes like that. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Right. Somaraju, don't duplicate the message. Possible. Don't duplicate the messages, Somaraju. Possible. Right. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Somaraj, if you're ready, I'll try to show you. Okay. right? If you want. Right. So all the things. So all these words having first few sessions compulsory, Ramesh. If you are unable to, don't come. Okay. Thank you, Ramesh. Already given in the starting only. In the starting level, all the words very clearly provided. Thank you. Bye-bye. Right. Catch you people tomorrow, everyone. Good night, everyone. Yes, right now we are enjoying Web 3.0 only. Administrative manager number already provided very clearly here, my dears. Some people are asking me admin number. Thank you. Yes, I said almost 20 times, Rajesh. Today is the last demo. Tomorrow onwards, we are entering. Right. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Don't duplicate messages, please. Duplicate messages, I never answer. Sri Sri. Thank you. You will try to understand, Rajesh, that greatness in upcoming days. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night. Aditya, please contact my administrative manager. Please contact my administrative manager. Thank you. Already in the chat box available, take it. Otherwise, tomorrow once again we'll share. It will be in upcoming classes more slow. That means so slower. We'll see, Sanath. What is that practically? Why that much hurry right now? All administrative manager will answer to you. Don't worry about the certificate, all the things. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mahesh, don't wonder. Okay. Time will time will provide all the solution for you. Mohammed, already we provide in the chat box. You can check it. Otherwise, tomorrow once again we'll provide you. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Stage 3, I said already, to pandemic messages, duplicate messages, I never answer. Yes. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Don't create any WhatsApp groups. Don't join also WhatsApp groups. We never create like that groups. We are never entertain also. Please don't join. Thank you. 100%, Sanath. 100% slower. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Good night. Thank you. We never entertain like that, Sanat. Don't worry. Yes. Existed. There are several batches available. Please check hareshit.com. Contact my administrative manager regarding payment, all the details. Number given here very clearly. Tomorrow onwards, regular sessions. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. It takes another 1 or 2 days. Mahesh. Six five to 7:30. Balram. That's it, Balram. That's it, Satish. Ramesh, I didn't understand what you asked. Thank you. Bye, guys. I'm signing out. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Catch you tomorrow. Okay. Alexander definitely will respond to you, no doubt. Minimum 3 years. Link available. Google Classroom link available. until batch starts means that means maximum 2-3 days. Vamsi. Don't worry, I'll respond soon. Thank you. Immediately we'll get. Once payment complete, immediately. Alexander, don't worry. We'll solve your queries within 1 or 2 days. Thank you. Bye, everybody.